1, 2, 3. Hooray!
The ribbon has been cut, signifying the official opening of the new public safety complex on Ulmerton Road in Largo, a campus that consolidates a number of vital county functions.
The facility brings several public safety operations under one roof: the consolidated 911, the Emergency Operations Center, and also the Pinellas County Sheriff's Office.
That theme of consolidation stretches to the Pinellas County Sheriff's Office as well.
We were able to bring a lot of functions back in-house and save a lot of money with lease space, and again, provide more efficiencies.
Bringing a complex that houses these important operations to fruition is no easy task. But a team of architects, engineers, and contractors worked with county staff to create an innovative, energy-efficient complex that can handle whatever Mother Nature has to offer. We joined key members of that team for a behind-the-scenes look at some highlights of the complex following the ribbon cutting, beginning on the second floor in the Emergency Operations Center, or EOC.
This room serves during an event such as a hurricane. Not only the county, but all the cities, utilities, Public Works come together in this room to make sure that the citizens of Pinellas County are in good shape in terms of an event.
During an emergency, the building can support approximately 700 individuals working around the clock. It's designed to withstand a Category 5 hurricane.
All in one room.
So this building is not only designed to be strong, but it has redundant systems. So for example, if the power were to go out, there's generated power, and that has backup to that. If the water were to go out, we have generated power for a pump system to be able to pump water from underground. If the sanitary sewer were to go out, there's a backup system with a holding tank. So at every level, there's redundancy to make sure that this room can be occupied and can serve the citizens of Pinellas County.
The building is also equipped with a double roof, which provides an extra layer of protection from any impact. The next stop on the tour was the facility's data center.
This is state-of-the-art. This is really this is the brains for the entire building.
The data center, along with the EOC and 911 centers, are designed with raised floors. In the EOC and 911, the raised floors keep the wiring for the many electronic systems hidden. In the data center, those raised floors allow space for cool air, which is pushed up through the floor in strategic locations to cool the equipment racks. The critical equipment in the data center must be kept cool at all times.
This air conditioning unit is called a crack unit. It's a computer room air conditioning. Blows air down, it comes up in these units and goes out through the top and just circulates.
Cooling not only the data center, but the whole complex is a water and money-saving geothermal system that takes the place of traditional water cooling towers.
In Florida, cooling towers will spit out $100,000 worth of water a year out of a standard cooling tower. So we take water out of the ground, we put it through a system that just does a heat exchange. There's a couple of plate and frame heat exchangers, and then we put it back into the ground a little bit warmer. And we've been doing that now successfully for a year and a half. And this facility, through the heat of the summer, basically ran with one well pump and one chiller running the entire time. So we're very proud of the system that we have in here.
Potter says the system pays for itself within 3 to 4 years. That cooling system and 2 backup power generators, with the ability for further expansion, are located in the facility's on-site central energy plant.
And you can see where everything in every part of this building is functioning, how well it's functioning. If it needs to be cooler, it needs to be hotter, it's too cold. You know that exactly.
Back in the main building on the 3rd floor is the Regional 911 Center.
Well, this is the dispatch room, so if you call 911, this is where the call is taken. This serves not only 911 for the county, but sheriff's dispatch and ambulance dispatch, so all co-located for the first time in one location.
The 911 Center currently has 60 workstations set up, with the capacity to add another 36. The workstations support the dispatchers as they stand or sit and have individual climate control to keep them comfortable during long shifts on the phones. Blanketing the floors throughout the 911 center and the rest of the building are a special type of carpet tiles, another of the many green aspects of the complex.
But that carpet there is all recycled. It came from carpet. It was bleached out, re-dyed, and rewoven into these carpet squares. So it's all recycled. The concrete, all of this came from recycled concrete and cement that was mixed together and poured, so everything about this building is all recycled.
The focus on efficiency and green construction practices has led the building to meet the Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, or LEED, Silver certification level.
Lighting is all energy efficient lighting.
LED?
Very LED lighting. All of the water fixtures, sinks, toilets, urinals are all low flow water, so we're a lot less use of water.
Frizzalowski says the public safety complex was built with the long term in mind.
I don't think there was a single decision that we did that didn't factor in sustainability, as well as cost, as well as long-term maintenance, as well as survivability. In the thinking process through this, I think every one of those factored into it, and sustainability was a big part of it.
And with room for additional expansion on the site, more county facilities could be coming in the future.
The long-term function of this campus has several opportunities to construct other buildings, whether they're public safety buildings or not. But
for more information about the public safety complex, visit PinellasCounty.org. I'm Kevin Baxter, inside Pinellas.